In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slides in Synthesia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert new scenes, pick the right layout, and speed up your workflow while keeping your video consistent and polished. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Synthesia using your preferred search engine. Look for the official result so you land on the correct site and avoid any ads or lookalike pages that don't match the trusted URL. Once you're on the official site, click the link that takes you to the main homepage or sign-in area. This ensures you're in the right place to access your projects and the editor. Next, click Login. Enter your account details securely, and if you're asked to choose a workspace, select the one where your project lives. After you're signed in, you'll be ready to open your content. Open your video in the Synthesia editor. From your dashboard, select the project you want to work on, so it loads into the editor canvas. On the left, you'll see the vertical strip that shows your scenes. Think of each scene as a slide in your video. To add a new slide, click the plus icon labeled Add Scene on the left side of the editor canvas. This inserts a new scene right after the one you have selected. If you want the new slide in a specific spot, first click the scene after which it should appear. Then press the plus button. When the new scene is created, you can choose between a blank scene or a pre-designed layout from your current template. A blank scene gives you full control from scratch, ideal if you want a unique design or custom arrangement. A layout from your template keeps fonts, colors, and placements consistent, which is great for maintaining a cohesive look throughout your video. If you want to move faster and keep styling perfectly aligned, right-click an existing scene in the left-hand selector and choose Duplicate. Duplicating preserves your background, text styles, avatar placement, and other design elements, so you only need to update the content within that slide. It's a simple way to keep everything on brand without rebuilding each slide. That's it. You searched for Synthesia, clicked the correct link, logged in, opened your video, added a new scene, chose the layout that fits your needs, and used duplication to speed things up. Keep an eye on your project's save status as you work, and you'll have a clean, consistent set of slides ready in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.